Welcome to the video. As you can see, my rear wiper is pretty beaten up. The arm is broken and the wiper blade is pretty worn. If you would like to see how to change the rear wiper blade, check out my other video. In this video I am going to show you how to change the rear wiper arm. As you can see, mine is broken. First of all, what you need to do is you need to open the cover which is covering the bolt. The bolt is pretty likely to be rusted, so use some W40. Then use the M14 socket to loosen the bolt. After you lose the bolt, you can start to wobble with the whole arm, because it is not going to be easy to take it off. As you can see, I was struggling here to take it off. This one is pretty rusted, as you can see. So I decided to spray some more W40 to help it to come off. I also take off the cover to have some more space. I let it set for a couple of minutes with W40 and I start to wobble with it again. It was pretty rusty, as you can see. After some time, I turn it down and I took it off. Now I went and cleaned it with the brake cleaner. After that, I took a cloth and clean it to take off as much rust and dirt as possible, before I clean it with a steel brush. Now is the best time to clean your rear window, when you have the rear wiper out of the way. As you can see, I've cleaned the whole window. Now is the assembly. I took the whole rear arm and blade together. The blade is on the arm to protect the rear window from scratching. You put on back the bolt and tighten it up again with the M14 socket. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.